In this video, I'll show you how to remaster GTA San Andreas using mods step by step to improve graphics and gameplay. Check my video description for this mod link. First, right click on this required files and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here, right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, backup your GTA San Andreas game folder, copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the San Andreas folder, open the required files, select all these files inside and drag and drop to game folder. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the graphics mod, open V graphics, open ENB. Depends on the PC spec. Open the folder and drag and drop the files. Replace the file in the destination and then go back. Open the optional clouds ENB series, just drag and drop, replace the file in the destination, go back, open IMFX and of these files inside of a game folder and the lights. In here you need to open the folder you previously chose. In my case I chose high and of the scripts inside of a game folder and then everything done. Go back, open this GTA SA, open this folder and drop this exe. Now we just need to scroll down, click on this exe and select delete option and open this startup underscore sp, select edit in notepad, scroll down, change this gta underscore sa to gta hyphen sa.exe and select file and select save option. Once you save this, I click on the gta underscore sa and select rename. Same thing, change this to hyphen and I click on the startup underscore sp and select show more option. Send it to desktop create shortcut. Launch the game through this newly created shortcut. Right click run as administrator. Select run. Select yes option. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.